Mira todo este óxido aquí. La parrilla está muy doblada y los faros están completamente agrietados. Necesitamos reemplazar muchas piezas.
Welcome, everyone. As you can see, the rust is extensive, especially here on the hood and the door panel.
Wow, that's quite a project. This rust is deeper than we initially thought. We'll have to fabricate a new panel for the cab.
The tanker itself seems mostly sound, surprisingly.
See the holes? We have to replace this section.
Absolutely. It's completely corroded and loose. Welcome back, everyone. This is the beast we're tackling next. A 1960s Mercedes-Benz tanker. It's completely rusted, but look how deep this goes. The whole floor pan is compromised. We can't save this section. Look at this part right here. Is that supposed to be that color?
Good eye, kiddo. We'll definitely need to replace that rotor.
The chassis is stable, but the tanker needs careful handling.
Understood. Ready, boss.
All right, begin disassembly.
Got that one off?
Okay, now try the one at the top.
Why is it so rusty right there? Are we gonna fix that too?
Look at the state of this mounting bracket here.
Yeah, noted. This bolt is stubborn.
There we go, that should hold. Okay, front bumper is logged in. There's the fuel line disconnected.
Okay, I have that logged. Now the main electrical.
Unplugged.
Got it.
Hold it there, clear the firewall, then swing it to the right.
Got the hinge loose. Can you grab that side?
Yeah, the tag is on. Where does Lars want this one?
Over by the metal rack. All right, steady. Bring it down slow.
I got the weight. Watch your feet.
And easy onto the supports. All right, it's secure. Take it up.
Hoist slowly, bring it left. Easy now.
Did you get number 12? All right, lift it up slow. Clear the chassis. Bring that exhaust stack over here next to the others.
Look at that, the mint green is still there. Yeah, it's coming up real nice. Right there, see that thick patch? Got it, hitting it now.
Spray right there, that's the hardened residue.
Okay, I see it foaming up. Keep going, right there. Woo! Yeah, almost clear. Look at all that rust coming off.
Yeah, this brush really works.
As you can see, we've stripped the cab and the doors. The chassis cleaning is halfway there, and the bumper looks brand new.
Looks perfect. Ready for the next stage.
That bare metal is beautiful.
Good job, everyone.
We need to reinforce this section here, just like we planned.
Is this smooth enough right here?
Yeah, that looks perfect. Good eye. We've aligned the panels perfectly. The chassis is fully repaired.
Looks solid. Excellent work on the tanker. It's incredibly smooth now.
Told you it would be perfect. So that's the first coat.
That's right, keeps the rust away. This section here is completely covered now.
Okay, moving on.
I can literally see my reflection. That is amazing work.
Looks absolutely flawless.
It's ready for assembly.
Harness is locked in. How about the lower hose?
Secured. We just have the intake and exhaust left.
Are these alignment pins fully engaged? Yeah.
Just about. There we go.
Just a hair more on this side.
Got it. How about now?
That's spot on.
Bolt secure.
Verified on the checklist. Moving on.
There we go. The last line is secured.
Perfect, we did it.
Hold it right there, easy. Okay, pins are set. Now let's check the gaps. Smooth.
It's absolutely flawless, guys.
Ready for testing. We even got the fingerprints off the hood.
The paintwork is absolutely flawless.
Best job we've ever done.
It really shines now.
Okay, push down right there.
Like this?
Yes, keep the seal tight around the corner.
It worked.
Sound perfect.
She runs perfectly. Thanks, everyone.